Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to export your Claude AI conversations. So if you've had conversations with a lot of important info in that you don't want to lose, you can export that to your email. So to do that, you want to open up your Claude account. Then in the bottom left on your profile, you're going to click on that and click on settings. From there, scroll down and click on privacy. And in the section where it says privacy settings, you should see export data. So I'm going to click on export data, and this is where you can export your conversations. So you can say all, or for the last 30 or 90 days, or from a custom date. So I'm just going to leave it on all and click on export. So the export will start. It may take a few seconds or a few minutes, depending on how much data you have in the export, but then it should be available in your Gmail account or the account that you signed up with. So I can see here I've got an email. So it says your data is ready to download. So all I need to do is click on download data, and I will have my exported conversations from Claude AI. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.